Hello everyone and welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Vidya and today we are here in this exquisite project called Brigade Horizon by Brigade Developers, which is located in Mysore Road, Bangalore. In this video, we'll give you each and every detail of this particular project, like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area and pricing, booking process and much more. So why are you waiting? Come on, let's dive in. The Brigade Horizon. This project spreads across 5 acres of land, having total 372 units with 18 exquisite towers, with 2 towers having G plus 9 floors and others 16 towers having G plus 4 towers. And this has a possession date from December 2026. So come, let's check out this beautiful 3D model. Brigade Horizon is located in Mysore Road near the 10-lane Bengaluru-Mysuru Expressway opposite to Rajrajeshwari Dental College. When it comes to connectivity, it is just 3 minutes away from Chalagatta Metro Station, 5 minutes away from Rajrajeshwari Medical College and 20 minutes from BGS Super Specialty Hospital, 2 minutes from Marigold International School. When it comes to shopping and recreation, it is just 5 minutes away from Decathlon and 15 minutes away from Wonderla Amusement Park. When it comes to workspace, it is just 10 minutes away from Bidadi International Estate and 15 minutes to Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited. We have luxurious amenities in this particular property such as entrance plaza, jogging track, swimming pool, kids pool and much more. This property has a 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments, with 2 BHK apartment having a super build-up area of 1064 square feet with a price starting from 4.9 lakhs and 3 BHK apartment starting from 14.38 super build-up square feet having a price starting from 1.12 CR. Well, this was the all information you wanted to know about this particular property. So now let's go and check out the model flat and you'll get each and every detail. So today we are here in this Brigade Horizon and this is a model flat of 2 BHK. So come, let's check onto it. So as we enter, this is a spacious living room over here where you can sit and enjoy the TV view. And yes, this is a dining area. And here we have a sophisticated kitchen over here. And this is dry space area. And here you can get an extra space for washing machine too. So as we come out of this place, again here we have a balcony where you can sit and enjoy the morning view. Once we come out of that, we have 2 master bedrooms which are opposite to each other. This is one master bedroom with king size bed over here, and you can see this is the space you will get. And here we have a study area, and this is bathroom, and here we get the closet. And here we have movable and non-movable windows. So when we come out of this bedroom, we have one more bedroom. Opposite to that, this is one spacious master bedroom again with king size bed over here, and that is again movable and non-movable windows. This will be a wardrobe area, and here we get the bathroom. So this was all about the Brigade's Horizon 2 BHK. And why are you waiting? If you want to book this home, just click onto the link below the description and we'll contact you today. Booking your dream home in Brigade Horizon is simple and straightforward with Property Cloud. Since we connect you directly with the developers, you'll get the best offers and on-spot discount plans, free pickup and drop services and various payment modes. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need any more information about this property or any other property, contact us today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any update from Property Cloud. Happy home hunting!